Hi everyone, welcome to at simply.sonia. Today I'm just making subs at home. So I've got two buns, just a long bun and cut in half, and I'm gonna broil it on low in the oven. On one, I'm going to put cheese, Swiss cheese, and the other one, I'm just gonna leave it as is. So you can do this without toasting, and for the man of the house who likes chicken, I have some chicken pieces. I'm gonna saute some onion with it. And I'm just gonna put some barbecue sauce on. It literally just takes about 20-30 seconds for the bread to be ready. And my chicken is almost caramelized here. I'm gonna put some Italian seasoning and a little bit of barbecue sauce, just to give it a little bit of flavor. I'm going to put this on the side, move this over. I'm going to do this vegetarian one first. So this one I have olive oil, mayonnaise, sriracha and chives. So I'm going to put this on one side. Going to put my lettuce, cucumber, green pepper, red pepper, tomato slices, and onion. Now you could add any ingredient to this. And I'm just going to close it up. And there's one that's ready. So this one, there is no cheese that's going on this one, so I'm gonna put chicken, lettuce, and I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of the sauce here too. Green pepper again, red pepper. This could be a great dinner, lunch, take it to work recipe. It didn't take as long at all. The only time it takes is the bit of the prep work, which is just about 10 minutes of cutting vegetables. Other than that, it's just about a 20-minute recipe. And that is it. I'm gonna drizzle some olive oil. And this one was the barbecue chicken. Thank you for watching. Please like and follow my page at simply.sonia on Facebook and Instagram.